To use Airbnb Split Payments with friends. Airbnb does not have a built-in feature to directly split a single payment across multiple accounts of friends. So what you can do is first of all open the Airbnb application itself on your device, then tap on the search bar and proceed to book your Airbnb. Now tap your destination. Now tap on any hotel you want to reserve. Tap on reserve and you'll find the price listed there. Here you will find the total price including taxes. Tap on next. Now you'll find selecting your payment method. And right within this checking your option, all you have to do is simply pay the full amount. And once you pay it, what you can do is you can calculate the group portion fairly and split among your friends yourself. What you can do is divide the total Airbnb cost by the number of bedrooms, couples or single occupying larger master bedrooms with a private en suite bathrooms which pay a higher room specific rate. Or what you can also do is use the per head equal split to split your Airbnb bookings amount. So you'll find the total cost right here and just divide it by the number of people that are attending this place. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.